In this video, I will run through with you how to register your staff's fingerprints to be used for JustLogin eTimeclock. The administrator of eTimeclock must first log into the system through the login screen as shown. Once logged in, click on the Register Fingerprint icon. The next step is to choose the staff whose fingerprints or prints you want to register. We would recommend that for each staff 3 fingers be registered. Then select which finger you wish to register for the staff. The system will show this pop-up and prompt the staff to place that finger selected onto the biometric fingerprint scanner. The staff has to scan 3 times before the system will accept the fingerprint. If the scan is successfully done, you will see a tick on the tip as shown. Repeat the same step for other staff. After you have done all the registration, the staff can now start clocking in and clocking out by simply using their fingerprints. You have just seen the video on how to register fingerprints on the device for JustLogin eTimeclock.